Hello everyone and welcome to Deano Outdoors. Today we're going to take a look at this 26 cubic foot truck bed cargo bag from Sailnovo. Although your truck may be equipped with a tonneau cover, it will not be able to fully protect your cargo like this cargo bag can from snow, rain, dirt, and other debris. All right, let's get this unboxed. We'll get it installed in the back of the truck and take a look at it. Packaged nicely in its own storage bag with a drawstring on top. It's going to include bungee cords for securing inside your pickup truck so it's not sliding all over the place. Right away, my first impressions are this is a really heavy duty, well-constructed bag. Let's get this installed and take a look. All right, we got this cargo bag loaded up. Got it set in place on the back of this F-150. Now we're gonna go ahead and secure it with the supplied straps that come with it. To secure your cargo bag, take your strap and insert it through the loop at the top of your cargo bag and attach both ends down to your tie-down straps inside of your truck. This cargo bag is the perfect size and will fit in the back of any size pickup truck bed. The material consists of military-grade waterproof PVC, high-quality durability, tear-resistant, and water-repellent design. On each corner, you will find ultra-rugged nylon straps to secure your cargo into place securely, as well as two large handles located on each side of the bag, making loading and unloading your cargo much easier and safer. This bag provides a waterproof zipper with a Velcro flap design to keep any rain and other debris from entering inside. This truck bed cargo bag offers the perfect solution for all your outdoor travel needs. With its rugged construction and 26 feet of cargo space, it's the perfect size for the back of any size pickup truck. Many truck owners today put tonneau covers on the back of their trucks, but they don't protect 100% against the elements like this truck bed cargo bag from Sailnovo can do. If you're like I am and do a lot of camping, when you get to that campground, you want that peace of mind knowing that your cargo is going to be secure, dry, and still all there. If you guys are interested in this truck bed cargo bag from Sailnovo, I'll leave a link down in the description below. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.